In today's video we tell you how to use Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first digital currency to eliminate the middleman. By avoiding banks and payment processors, Bitcoin developed a decentralized, worldwide market that requires only an internet connection and an investment of fiat currency, national currency, if you want to participate. To get started, acquire some Bitcoin from an online exchange. Then set up a digital wallet to store your Bitcoin. From that point, send your Bitcoin to the wallet of an individual or merchant if you want to use it to pay for goods or services. You can also save your Bitcoin as an investment or trade it for other cryptocurrencies on an online exchange. Buy small amounts of Bitcoin online directly. On some websites, such as Indicoin or SpectraCoin, you can immediately buy small amounts of Bitcoin using a major credit or debit card. Limits to the amount of Bitcoin you can buy vary among sites. For example, Indicoin limits your first transaction to $50. After 4 days, you can make a second transaction of up to $100. If you want to buy small amounts of Bitcoin without having to register or create an account with a site, these transactions can be a good choice. Use a trading exchange to buy large amounts of Bitcoin. With online trading exchanges, such as Coinbase or Kraken, you can create an account to buy and sell large amounts of Bitcoin. These exchanges operate similar to stock exchanges with bid-ask spreads. If you live in the U.S., you might also consider Gemini, which is a licensed exchange with regulatory oversight. While it still doesn't have the security that a traditional bank might, the rules and regulations make it more secure than the average online exchange. Opening an account in a trading exchange is similar to opening a bank or investment account. You provide your real name and contact information. When your identification is verified, you'll fund your account with the money you want to use to buy Bitcoin. Different exchanges may have account minimums, although some are as little as a few dollars. Trade cash for Bitcoin at a Bitcoin ATM. Bitcoin ATMs are springing up in major cities around the world, and allow you to insert cash and purchase Bitcoin. The machine will either transfer your purchased Bitcoin to an online wallet for you to retrieve or spit out a paper wallet with a QR code for you to scan to retrieve your Bitcoin. Bitcoin online for products and services. If you are already selling products or services online, you may be able to add Bitcoin to your online shop or website as an accepted method of payment. If you have your own website and want to accept Bitcoin, you can download promotional graphics, link in description. Bitcoin auction sites, such as OpenBazaar, allow you to open a shop, similar to eBay, and sell products for Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin from another person offline. As with any currency, you can meet up with someone and trade cash, or some other commodity, for Bitcoin. Go to localbitcoins.com to connect with someone in your area who is interested in an offline transaction. Observe caution and only agree to purchase small amounts until you trust the person. Don't carry large amounts of cash in your person. Meet in a public place, or in the parking lot of your nearest police station, for security. Run a mining program to mine Bitcoin. To mine Bitcoin, you set up computers to solve complex equations and add the solutions to the blockchain. You typically need expensive mining equipment and software, as well as dedicated servers to mine Bitcoin successfully. Some cloud mining companies will allow you to mine with them, but generally, it's more cost-effective to simply buy Bitcoin on the exchange than to attempt to mine it. In the early days of Bitcoin, it was possible for individuals to mine Bitcoin profitably. However, as of 2018, most profitable mining operations are run by large, specialized companies.